All right, on this one, you're putting it all together. So it's use the giving information to determine the missing representation for each multiplicative relationship. So if you're doing this on your assignment, make sure you add your text boxes and put your stuff. So they're always going to give you something. So in this case, they've given us a description. So the cost of an ice cream cone is $1.50. They've labeled number of ice cream cones and their cost. And they also have given us what we're counting by on our X and our Y. And then over here, you have your table. Okay, so what I like to start with is maybe my table. So my X value is going to be number of ice cream cones, right? Because it's on the X axis. And remember, our X value is always going to be on the left-hand side on our table. So I would say my X. And if I had more room, I would write number of ice cream cones. So for instance, bloop, number of ice cream. So that's what should go there. And then right here, I'm going to put my Y, which would be my cost. So if I had more room, I would write cost. And you could put like the little dollar sign if you want. All right, so then I'm just going to pick some random values. Now, they labeled down here, they were just counting by ones. So I would probably count by ones too in my, my little table. So let's say when my X is 1, when my X is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could skip count by twos. You could do whatever you want. Really, it doesn't matter. But these are the values that I'm going to later on graph. Now over here it said the cost of an ice cream cone is $1.50. So that means every time I have an ice cream cone I have to pay $1.50. So over here, if I'm doing one ice cream cone, I know that my X value is going to be $1.50. And then if I have 2 ice cream cones, I'm just going to double $1.50. And then 3, I would get $4.50. 4, I would get $6. Then I'm going to add $1.50 to get my 5th one, so that's $7.50. And then my last one should be, what, 9? Okay, so that's my table. All I'm doing is I'm taking that constant of $1.50. Where's my little... So this is our constant here. And that's going to be my A, right? Oh, I wrote no highlighter. Boop, there we go. That's going to be my constant. So for my equation, remember my equation needs to be in the form y equals A times X. Okay, so in this case, the cost of an ice cream is $1.50. So I would do y equals $1.50 times X. And that would be my equation because we figured out down here that our constant is going to be $1.50. And now the last part, I just need to graph these. So let's do little red dots. So 1, $1.50, 2, $3, 3, $4.50, 4, $6, 7.50, 9. And then I could use this to kind of guess what's going to be next, right? If I wanted to, I could probably guess that these are going to keep going. And then I could figure out what it is for 10 and all that stuff. All right, that's how you do it. Hopefully this helps you do the next couple. All right, guys, I'm not going to do the next 2 with you. So do your best. Grab me in class if you want. But we need, on this one, we need to figure out the description, the graph, and the table. And on this one, they give us the graph, but we have to figure out the equation, the description, and the table. So we'll have to use a little problem solving to fill this out. If you need some help, come grab me and I'll help you out with this part of the assignment.